pow, 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 pow. Corner Chronicles, pow, 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 pow. Corner Chronicles, pow, 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 pow. Corner Chronicles, pow, 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 pow. Corner Chronicles, pow, pow,
Keep them
pow,
coming.
pow, pow, pow. Corner Chronicles, pow, 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 pow.
Look at that! Oh my God!
Corner Chronicles, pow, 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 pow. Corner Chronicles, pow, 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 pow. Corner Chronicles.
What's going on, guys? It's your boy Corn back with another episode of Corn Chronicles. And today, I've just been driving around trying to find a spot to fish. And right now I'm in New Smyrna area, and we're gonna see what this is over here. I really don't know yet. Let's see, I'm gonna turn around so you guys can see too. Oh yeah. We're trying this, guys. We're gonna see what we can get. All right, stay tuned. All right, guys. So I'm gonna walk back to the car and get the shrimp, and let's see what we can do. Let's see what, we just found a spot on the map and just tried it out. So let's see. All right, guys, let's get it.
StenCy KEY derives from the phrase consistency is key. A brand for content creators, social media influencers, hustlers, go-getters, gym rats. A brand to remind you that consistency is key in order to succeed. StenCyKey.com. At StenCy KEY on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. At StenCy KEY. And remember, consistency is key.
10 meats. This has 6 appetizers, 2 sushi, 13 meats. This has 7 appetizers, 4 sushi, and 17 meats. It's gonna be per person, but they want you guys to all come to an agreement. We're all doing early bird, all doing classic, and all doing signature, so they don't worry about smorgasbord and stuff. Yeah. But how it goes is it's basically like a fresh buffet. Like you guys all get 1 appetizer, 1 sushi roll kimbap, and 2 meats to start off, and then that's how you keep ordering. You just can keep, and we don't charge for meat you don't eat, but it's completely unlimited. I put in the vegetables and the rice for you. So you guys would each, you guys get 3 appetizers for the table, so for 3 of you. To start off, as soon as it hits, you can order another same 3 or different 3. If you have the stomach, you can try the entire thing. This one's got,
Damn, that broccoli.
That hurts so bad. She doesn't even know,
Damn.
you know.
She'll learn.
That might be some of the best broccoli I ever had. Wow. What, and that's what, egg? Egg. Yeah, you gotta try the broccoli. You gotta try it.
Vinegar and stuff?
I haven't tried this yet. It looks like egg. That's like a seaweed. I gotta get another. I'm sorry. That broccoli was. Oh wow.
Put this down on that end.
Yeah.
Sweet.
Thank you.
All right, so these are going to be your rices. Thank you. So, gonna butter it up so that the meats don't stick. Just remember, this is your hottest point. If it goes outside the circle, you're gonna have 2 different temperatures touching. There's no problem with that. Just remember that. So, like, some people will be like, "Hey, this didn't get cooked enough," or because they didn't know. But longer things like pork bellies, we put them on this outside. Other things you want to sear or get well done, right here. This is a hanger steak. This is gonna be your lamb. It's got a little bit of like this Korean spicy seasoning on it. It's really good. And then this is the ramen noodles. You literally just throw it in on the side right here, just in there, and let it sit for like 5 minutes, 6 minutes. Open it up, check the bottom, it'll be crispy. Boom.
And like I said, it's not high enough where
I can see people getting sick of telling you this way.
Yeah,
See a lot of air.
yeah.
Yeah. Glad you're taking footage because
Exactly like that.
for real.
Nice of you there.
I'll be honest, I could just eat this broccoli all night. This was the pork belly right here.
Okay. Very nice.
This corner right here, yeah. This is the beef.
That's the pork.
No, I think this is the beef. Beef. Yeah. Yeah. Those probably not gonna take too long, really. Okay.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. I think that's rice. Shitting on this.
You have a butter? It's just. I have a piece of butter.
We needed 2 butters. She brought the
Yes.
rice.
Thank you.
Is that another rice too?
Nope. Rice
No,
is good.
she brought rice. It's cool.
Oh,
Instead of butter.
I want another order of these things. What are these? Like, what is that?
The gyoza.
I want to downsize this place. When you're talking shit, you want to eat. Like they got to cook your food.
You gotta still focus on cooking and shit.
I think we're about to load that bitch up. Where's the other song at? My bad.
cooking this bitch. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, you just don't have the magic touch.
I already did.
Gotta have the magic touch, bro. Gotta have the magic touch, bro.
So, I don't see a knife. I'm going to use a scissors.
Yeah, use the shit. Scissor that shit, Tom. Scissor.
Oh yeah, Brett said what's up too. To everybody.
That's all I need.
All right, I'm going on that.
Yeah, buddy.
Let me try one of these real quick.
Well, see, this one gets too hot.
We're going to be here for a minute, fellas.
I think I will let the final point. That's okay. That's all right.
That was good.
What's this? You guys put this on?
I think that's ramen.
What?
I think it was ramen.
Yeah, that's new. You just put
The
that on
noodles?
there. You just put that on there. Yeah. I'm trying to figure it out.
Thank you guys for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please remember to like and subscribe to the channel. And also share this to your friends. You know, I'm trying to grow the channel. So if you could share it, that would be greatly appreciated. Also, shout out to my sponsor, StenCy KEY. Remember, consistency is key. To all my content creators out there, social media influencers, hustlers, go-getters, remember, consistency is key. All right, guys, let's get it.